thank all our friends, also friends from the media, and our guests for joining us this afternoon. I hope you were able to just, the kwentuhan was really, really nice, also enough, but do not worry. Meron pa tayong isang pasabog.
Meron pa tayong
isang pang pasabog. So we're gonna play a really easy game. Sana easy lang. It's called Melon o Wala. We're gonna ask a very interesting question, and then Andrea has to answer if melon nga ba o wala. Okay, for example, ano bang pwedeng itanong? Melon o wala? Miss Jonah, help me out. Anong pwedeng, example na tanong na melon o wala?
Oh, okay. How about an upcoming big project?
Melon!
No, that one, we're gonna talk more about mamaya. Melon o wala? Andrea Brillantes, but of course, the very beautiful Miss Jonah, CEO of Dear Face. Again, a big round of applause, everybody. Come on. Okay, Andrea, as you have partnered with Dear Face, and of course, its beautiful CEO, Miss Jonah, meron ba kayong similarities na gustong i-share with everyone?
So, parehas kami nagtitake ng beauty milk ni Miss Jonah. Parehas kami water sign. Melon pala, no? Sorry.
Melon.
At saka, parehas kami CEO. Miss Jonah.
Well, nabanggit ni Blythe. Well, of course, hindi na ako sensitive. But meron kaming similarities because we always drink our beauty milk. And we are both water sign.
Oh!
Yeah, I'm Cancer.
Ako Pisces.
Pisces also.
Yes,
Let's go.
Let's go. And we both love going to the beach.
Yes.
Pisces. I mean, water signs. Parehas silang blooming, parehas maganda. So, melon. Siyempre, madami silang similarities si Miss Jonah. Okay, next question. Andrea, meron pa rin bang days when your skin feels dull?
Wala na. Wala na kasi nagtitake ako ng beauty milk every night.
Love.
Yeah.
Ikaw, Miss Jonah.
For me, I think since very stressed talaga yung work ko every day, and I'm juggling like multiple responsibilities, like I'm a mom, and then also I run so many businesses then. But every time I drink talaga beauty milk at night, nakakatulog ako agad. And hindi lang natin na-appreciate yung quality sleep, but it actually regenerates your body talaga overnight. So the next day you wake up, you're feeling refreshed and renewed. So malaking help talaga si beauty milk. So I think na for that question, wala akong dull days for my skin.
There you have it. Okay, the third question though. A question that everybody is so curious about. Okay, so, alam naman natin si Andrea, magandang bata, sobrang blooming.
Yes, correct.
Every single second of every single day. But the past couple of weeks, months maybe, you're extra blooming. So Andrea, melon o wala? Melon bang nagpapasaya sa'yo ngayon?
Melon. Dear Face Beauty Milk.
Come on, you guys, big round of applause.
Specifically, melon flavor ko. Yan po yung nagpapasaya sa akin ngayon.
Ayun, love it.
And of course, being here, masaya ako. Kasama kayo lahat, masaya ako. Pinapasaya niyo ako. Woo!
Okay, everybody like that answer? Yeah? Oo, syempre, meron nagpapasaya kay Andrea kasi nga nandito tayong lahat. But moving forward to the next question for you, Andrea, meron bang other things aside from Dear Face, aside from beauty milk, ginagamit mo to be very blooming or to just take care of yourself?
Honestly, mas binigyan ko lang po ng importance yung sleep ko and yung pag-rest ko. At ilang beses ko na sinabi, I don't really work out, pero ngayon po, mas active na ako. Nag-swimming ako, tapos pinag-Muay Thai lessons ako sa new show ko. Na hirap ako kasi nung rather than losing weight.
Especially, napakainit.
Yeah, tsaka surrounding yourself lang din with a positive crew. Kasi kapag kasama mo yung mga nag-bring out ng best sa'yo, talagang mas lumagan ka, mas fluid.
Exactly. How about you, Miss John?
Well, right now, actually, I don't have any exercise routine. Unlike Andrea, sabi ko nga, ang galing kasi she can actually juggle yung kanyang personal life and also yung, grabe yung taping niya. Parang everyday nasa taping siya. And luckily, she's here. Right now, actually, I'm trying to do my best to balance my time with my family and also with my work. Kasi actually, I don't, before, I usually get burnt out that fast. Kasi parang like yung work. But right now, I'm trying to balance everything. Kasi I know that if I am not okay, I cannot work from an empty cup. So I'm prioritizing my self-care right now. And I'm loving myself now.
Woo! Yan ang best self-care. I self-love.
Yeah. Ayun. Okay, before we proceed to the last question, tips on self-care besides self-love, staying at home, kahit one-liner lang.
Uminom ng beauty milk. Yun ang tips ko, uminom ng beauty milk. And maging consistent. Kasi ang dami mga, syempre magte-take sila siguro isang glass lang o dalawa. Tapos magre-reklamo sila na wala sila nakikita ang result pa, walang effect. Well guys, may reason kaya bakit sa isang pack meron 10 sachets para makonsume natin lahat. Tapos maging consistent tayo para makakita tayo talaga ng effective results. So, kapag bibili kayo, ubusin nyo guys para makita nyo yung result. Yan po.
Love it. Tips on how to drink beauty milk, okay? Be consistent, ubusin.
Yes.
Lahat ng nandun sa lagayan, sa package.
Every night, every day. Yun.
Okay, down to the last question though. We did talk about taping. So Miss Jonah mentioned kanina, oh my gosh, you've been so busy, taping every single day. Talking about big upcoming projects, meron pa kaming maaasahan sa'yo in terms of that?
Yes po, meron. So, kung napanood niyo po ang senior high, magkakaroon po, thank you, magkakaroon po ng part 2 ang senior high. Yay! So, it's high speed at sa May 13 na po ito. So, that's next week or next week. Malapit na po siya, mapapanood niyo po ulit si Skylove Cruz at yung buong crew. Lahat ng North Fordians. So, makita-kits po tayo next week. Yes.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a new era of beauty with Dear Face and Andrea Brillantes. A big warm round of applause, everybody. Come on.
Thank you po.
And now to officially seal this moment, we will now be having Andrea's contract signing with Dear Face and of course, photo ops. Okay, now you guys are witnessing the contract signing, and of course, do not forget to use our hashtags for today. Again, hashtag DearFace, #Andrea Brillantes, hashtag BeautyMilkMelon, and @DearFacePH Official. You are witnessing history in the making. The newest ambassador of Dear Face. Very, very her as well. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again, the new era of beauty with Dear Face and Andrea Brillantes. A big, warm round of applause. And of course, let's all stand up, take a photo. this new era, we are not just unveiling a fresh face because we are also celebrating the bloom of Dear Face. A couple more pictures, maybe videos as well, and then we're going to hear for one last time from our, of course, dear CEO and Andrea Brillantes. One last batch of daily greetings. And of course, starting with our dear CEO, one last message before we both send you off.
Oh wow, that's so fast. But I'd like to thank everyone who actually gets here and join us as we launch Dear Face X Lion. And you don't know how much happy I am for you guys to witness this this launch. And I am very happy also to welcome Lion and super excited kami sa mga susunod pa mangyayari with this project and partnership.
Well, of course, ulit gusto ko magpasalamat sa lahat po ng pumunta dito. Sana po nag-enjoy kayo to spend the afternoon with us. And kay Miss Jonna, again, thank you so much po. And I'm so happy to be a part of this family